Hey everybody, GeoArm Security here, and today I'm going to show you how to program the Qolsys QS-1100-P01, also known as the IQ door window sensor, into the Qolsys IQ Panel 2 wireless security system. The IQ DW sensor is actually the oldest contact. This was actually released with the IQ panel originally, and it was the original contact, so they are quite common, and I'm going to show you how to program it in. So the first thing you want to do is remove the contents from the box. Simply slide it out, and your installation manual as well. Keep the box and everything in resellable condition in case you ever need to return it if you happen to buy this new. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. There it is. Very simple. You'll see the magnet reed switch is outlined by this design. So that's basically where the contact and the magnet need to line up. Once you're at this point, go ahead and depress the tab, opening the guts of the contact, and that's going to prepare us for the next step. So now we're going to get into the IQ Panel 2 programming, where you either slide down or just simply push. Select Settings, Advanced Settings.
Enter user code.
You can enter either the dealer code, which is 2222, or the installer code, which is 1111. Either will allow you to accomplish the programming of this contact. I'll just use the dealer code. 2. Select Installation, Devices, Security Sensors, and you can either auto-learn, which we're going to do, or add the sensor's DLID manually, which you can find in the back. I always prefer doing the auto-learn, which is the same amongst other people as well. Select auto-learn sensor. Now you just want to remove these battery tabs, or if this is not a new contact, you would then simply just tamper the device. So I'm going to go ahead and remove the battery leads here. So now that we've pulled the battery tabs out, I like to just go ahead and hit the tamper button here to learn the serial number. Gets the job done quickly. Now you can see it's requesting for us to begin programming. Select OK. Now Qolsys makes this very simple. The programming is very simple and straightforward for this. One thing I want to go through with you real quick is that this contact in particular, there's an external terminal block. Now what this is if you needed to or wanted to, you could utilize an external hardwired contact, wire it into this, which would disable the wireless reed switch magnet, and they will not work simultaneously. Moving forward, the programming of this, we want to keep it as a door window sensor. Sensor name front door. You can go through various sensor names, and if there's nothing that you like, you can enter a custom description. To do that, you click the box next to it, and just for example, I'll just use arms wide, and the panel will always enunciate open. So usually it's good to just use two words like arms wide, and then the panel will automatically use open. So arms wide open. You can be as creative as you like. This panel, since it does have the Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, this thing is capable of doing that, as well as with an Android software. So wonderful panel the IQ Panel 2 is. Select the check mark. High wire chime type, just for example, I'm going to show you that you can scroll. They do give you a decent amount of sounds that you can use, or chimes. I'll just use on the hunt, just to change it up a little bit. Now sensor group, this is one of the most important things when programming. This is how the sensor will react in the event that it is triggered or when it's opened. So right now by default it's set at 10, which is an entry exit normal, which means anytime that door is opened, it'll give you 30 seconds to disarm the system before the panel goes into an alarm. I'm going to change that, and I'm going to put it at 13 instant perimeter, meaning anytime that door is open, the panel will go directly off. Voice prompts you want on, that means it can enunciate the sensor name. Security RF, you won't have any other option because it's not an encrypted S-line sensor. We will have all the videos on the S-line sensors available for you soon, and we will put links to that as well. So for now, you're going to select Add New.
Sensor added successfully.
Okay, and you're going to seal the contact back up. Make sure you align these two little tabs with these notches and grooves here. Simply click it together. And as I said before, make sure that this design lines up. That's where the actual reed switch is. Select OK. Select Home. Now to show you that it works.
Arms wide open.
There you go. That's how you program the Qolsys QS 1100-P01 or IQ-DW sensor into the IQ Panel 2. Please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube page.